So if you're looking in Estero, Florida for a resort-style community with low HOA fees, a townhome with a lot of square footage, 2-car garage attached, inside laundry room, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, huge master bedroom, nice walk-in shower, great outdoor living space that is screened, you gotta check this unit out. Come with me. So in Florida especially, a lot of entertaining that you do is on the outside of your property. So this townhome has a beautiful backyard area with privacy. It also has a gigantic screened in area where you could have tables and entertain out here, keep your grill top. And it also has an under truss area, which means it's under roof, so if it rains, you can get out of the weather. So this is a spectacular addition to this large townhome. Another great feature about this townhome is that it has this type of area. A lot of people work from home, especially when they come down from Florida if this is a second home. And here we are in a great open area here, which is outside of the master bedroom. Great for either a desk area, office area, another small entertainment or reading area. Upstairs in this townhome, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. And wait till you see the size of this master bedroom. Unlike a lot of single family homes that you'll see down in the Florida area, this master bedroom is absolutely huge. This is a king size bed that we're looking at here. It has 2 end tables on there, and you can see how much room is still available in this master bedroom. It's got a beautiful tray ceiling with finishes on top, and wait till you see the master bedroom closet. I don't think you could fill it up with all your clothes.